welcome back to another episode of Rico Soul Italia Eats. And what you're looking at here is a half-pound bacon cheeseburger with sautéed red onions, pickles, served on a brioche bun. Let's get into this video and show you how we made this. For starters, here's our thick cut bacon that we'll be using for our burgers. Next, we're going to weigh our beef so that each patties weigh a half a pound. That's 8 ounces each. There's our 8 ounces. Now we'll ball it up into a tight ball and then we'll smash it down. And as you can see, we're just smashing our burgers down as much as we can between 2 pieces of parchment paper. These are big burgers, so we have a lot to smash down. Next, we'll remove the parchment paper from the top and we'll season our burgers with just salt and pepper. Just salt and pepper will keep it simple. We want to taste the beef in our burgers.
I'll hit it with a little salt and pepper. We'll season the other side once we get it in the pan. Go ahead with a little bit of black pepper.
Next, we're going to lay our bacon in our pan and we'll cook it until it has a nice color to it.
Alright, our bacon looks like it's done. And we're just going to plate it for now. And we'll sit this on the side until our burgers are ready. Bacon is finished.
Next, we're going to saute these red onions that we cut up for our burgers. Next, we'll start working on our brioche buns by buttering them up and toasting them in our pan. Next, we're going to add mayo to our buns. Next, we're going to add some bread and butter chip pickles to our buns. But first, let's add a swirl of mustard to the bottom of our buns. Here's our half-pound burger patties. It's time to get them in our 12-inch hex clad pan. We're going to add a few pinches of sea salt. Going to add a few sprinkles of black pepper. Next, we'll add our second burger patty and we'll sprinkle it with sea salt and pepper as well. As you can see, these burgers are so massive they can barely fit in this huge 12-inch pan without overlapping.
Pinch of salt. pepper.
I cook these burgers on each side for approximately 4 minutes per side. Next, we'll start adding our cheese. Then we'll add our already sauteed red onions back to our pan. We'll warm these red onions up and we'll eventually top our burgers with them. Next, we're going to top our burgers with our bacon. Then we'll start to top our burgers with our sauteed red onions. Now it's time to place our burgers on our brioche buns. And there you have it, folks, our massive half-pound bacon cheeseburger with sauteed red onions, pickles on a sesame seed brioche bun.
A monster of a burger. A monster of a burger. Going in, first bite. Half a pound of beef. Finger looking good, folks.
That's gonna wrap up our video. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Comments are encouraged, and thanks for watching. But most importantly, don't forget to bon appetit, peoples. To bon appetit.